Hollywood veteran Mel Gibson has publicly dismissed Meghan Markle's audacious request for Rachel Zegler to be replaced in the upcoming Snow White film, following what many are calling a disastrous premiere. Gibson's candid remarks have not only drawn ire from the Duchess of Sussex's supporters but have also reignited the debate about her role in Hollywood and her perceived entitlement. With tensions running high, the public is left to ponder whether Markle's influence in the industry is waning, or if she is simply overstepping her bounds. The backdrop of this drama is Zegler's much-criticized performance during the film's premiere, where reactions ranged from lukewarm to outright hostile. Critics pounced on the opportunity to air grievances about the casting choices, with many claiming that Zegler was not fit for the iconic role. Amid this uproar, Markle allegedly suggested that Zegler be replaced, a demand that many see as another instance of her controversial behavior. Gibson, known for his sharp tongue and unfiltered opinions, wasted no time in expressing his disbelief. "No way should a demand like that be taken seriously. It's ridiculous," he stated, emphasizing that talent should be the primary consideration in casting decisions. This confrontation taps into a larger narrative surrounding Meghan Markle's foray into Hollywood. Once heralded as a beacon of diversity and modernity, Markle's image has taken a hit in recent years, with many questioning her credibility and motives. Her insistence on dictating casting choices only exacerbates the perception that she is out of touch with the realities of the industry. Critics argue that her royal status does not grant her the authority to meddle in professional matters, especially when it comes to the careers of others. The backlash against Markle is not confined to the film industry alone. Public sentiment appears to be shifting, with polls indicating a decline in her favorability ratings. Many fans and former supporters are disillusioned by what they perceive as her self-serving antics. The Snow White premiere, which could have been a triumphant moment for Zegler, quickly devolved into a media frenzy that ultimately overshadowed the film itself. Markle's involvement in the narrative only served to amplify the chaos, leading some to believe that she thrives on drama rather than substantive contributions. Moreover, this conflict sheds light on the precarious nature of celebrity in the modern age. Markle's attempts to reshape her narrative have been met with skepticism, particularly as the entertainment world grapples with issues of representation and authenticity. Her request to replace Zegler is perceived as undermining the hard work of those who have dedicated themselves to their craft, sending a troubling message about what it means to be a team player in Hollywood. Gibson's comments serve as a stark reminder that respect is earned, not demanded. As the dust settles on this latest kerfuffle, the question remains, what does it mean for Markle's future in Hollywood? With figures like Gibson standing firmly against her influence, it seems that her road ahead may be more fraught with challenges than ever before. The backlash she faces could potentially close doors that were once wide open, leaving her to reassess her approach in an industry that values authenticity and hard work above all. In conclusion, Mel Gibson's scathing criticism of Meghan Markle's request to replace Rachel Zegler is more than just a celebrity spat.